Hello, Jaguar students. It's your friendly neighborhood math teacher, Mr. Allred. We're going to talk about solving word problems with percents and equations. This is EOG review number 6. It should be pretty short video today. This review is a combination of the past 4 mini lessons that we have done with our notes. We're going to talk about percents, unit rate, proportions, and equations, all within this one little word problem mini lesson. You're going to see lots of word problems on the EOG. It's going to be important that you are using our keys to success on those word problems. You should underline the key words in the question and then box the actual question itself. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 problems here for you, and then you're going to work through the rest of them. Sound good? That's good, man. Brett's going to make a scale drawing of a rectangular room in his house. The actual length of the room is 12 4/5 feet. The scale used to make the drawing was 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. What is the length in inches of the room on the drawing? That's right. So if Brett made a scale drawing, I'd say it's a pretty important word, scale drawing. We talked about scale drawings in Unit 5 when we talked about ratios. It says the actual length of the room is 12 4/5 feet. Those are both important words. The scale used to make the drawing was 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. What is the length in inches of the room in the drawing? We're going to box that question in there. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is convert 12 4/5 to an improper fraction. 12 4/5 feet is 64 fifths. 64 fifths. Okay. We're going to figure out what 64 fifths feet would be on this scale drawing. It said that the drawing used a scale to make it. And that scale said that every 1/4 inch was actually 1 foot in real life. Okay, that's one ratio. We're going to set that equal to another ratio that says that x on the top, we're trying to figure out what the length of inches is. So we're going to put inches on the top. How many inches would be 64 fifths of a foot? Okay, so I put the actual height on the bottom and the scale's length in inches on the top. Okay, so then I cross multiplied here, did 1 times x and got x, and did 1/4 times 64 fifths. When I did that, I got 64 20ths. Then I knew that I needed to simplify that to a mixed number, and I got 3 1/5 inches for my final answer after I simplified that fraction. It's Coach Caps. What's up, Coach Cass? I'm recording a mini lesson video here for my kids real quick. What you need?
Sorry, I heard a wah coming from the, what'd you say?
I'm recording a notes video right now, so if you have anything important to say, I can call you right back in a second.
You talking to me now, man?
Well, I can't pause my video because if I pause it, it messes up.
I don't care about your math.
Well, these kids care about it. Right now, my kids are listening to this video. I'll call you right back. I'll call you in 5 minutes. Calling you in 5 minutes. I'm hanging up. All right, Coach Caps can live with that. He's not that important anyway. He's just the athletic director. Jason purchased 10 shirts. That's what I got for number 4. Now I'm looking at Jason's shirts. Jason purchased 10 shirts for the members of his school club. Each shirt was $4.99. Jason had a coupon for 20% off his total purchase, and sales tax was 7% after that discount. What was the total cost for the shirts? Let's underline some key words. It's important that he bought 10 shirts. Each shirt cost $4.99. I'd say that's pretty important. The coupon was 20% off, okay, but sales tax was 7% after, that's pretty important, the discount. It says what was the total cost for the shirts. First thing I think it makes sense to do is to figure out how much money he spent on the shirts in the first place. He bought 10 shirts for $4.99 each, so he spent about $49.90 on the shirts before the coupon and before the tax, okay? Then we need to figure out what 20% of $49.90 is. So I'm going to set up a lovely percent proportion. Percents all out of 100. 20 over 100 equals x over $49.90. I cross multiplied there. I knew that 100x was worth 998. I divided both sides by 100. And I got 998. That is the discount. He's going to take that discount off of the original sales price of $49.90, and he's going to get $39.92. Okay. Then we are going to solve for 7% of this new number right here. That's going to tell us what the extra sales tax is on top of that. So I set up a lovely percent proportion. That's all I'm going to do for you. I know 7 is out of 100. Those are percentages. Equals x over $39.92. You're not finished yet, but Ed Puzzle is going to ask you what your final answer is. Thanks for all that you do. Please keep all hands and feet inside the ride at all times. Have a great day. Thank you.